Comparing Fractions Part 2. Let's start by watching an Originals animation.
Hello, I'm Mick. Let's talk about comparing fractions. Look at the two fractions. Which is greater? If a numerator is half of the denominator, then the fraction equals 1/2. What is half of 6? That's right, it's 3. 4 is greater than 3, so 4/6 is greater than 1/2. Half of 10 is 5, and 5 is greater than 3. Thus, 1/2 is greater than 3/10. 4/6 is greater than 1/2, and 1/2 is less than 3/10. So 4/6 is greater than 3/10. We called the fraction used as the reference point the benchmark. Other common benchmarks are 1/4, 1, etc. Let's try using another strategy. Make the fractions share the same denominator. We need to find their least common denominator, or LCD. LCD is the smallest number divisible by all denominators of the given set of fractions. The denominators of these two fractions are 8 and 6. Let's list some multiples of them. 24 is the least common denominator. 24 is our new denominator. How many times 8 is 24? Yes, it is 3. So we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Similarly, convert 2/6 into a fraction with the denominator of 24. 6 times 4 equals 24, and 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 is greater than 8. So 3/8 is greater than 2/6. It's your turn to practice again.
Use ClassSwift to screenshot the question in the animation for students to answer. Check their comprehension immediately using ClassSwift Student Report. Compare the fractions to 1/2. Drag them to the correct box. Suggested answer is on the top right corner for teacher's reference. Let's practice again. Drag the fractions to the correct box. Now, let's learn how to compare fractions using cross multiplication. Roll a dice to get two fractions and compare them in the blank space on the right. What strategies have we learned for comparing fractions? Share your thoughts on the whiteboard. Let's wrap up with a small competition. Students will compete in 2 teams. Whoever gets the most stars wins.